Good morning, friends. Olaf and I wanted to come show you our new letter of the week, the letter O, and go over our circle time board we have here. So let's get started with a little song, okay? So instead of doing our everyone jump up and down and do it everyone's individual name, let's just everyone stand up wherever you are in your house and sing the jump up and down song. And so we'll say everybody instead of everyone's name, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Everybody, everybody jump up and down, turn around, act like a clown. Everybody, everybody jump up and down, now sit back down. Nice job. Would you guys like to sing your ABCs with me? We haven't sang that in a long time. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, good job, friends. Olaf loved to hear you sing. So there's three things we need to do before we go over our board. Let's get our looking eyes on, and then our listening ears. Let's do Olaf's. And put on our thinking cap. Oh, good job. We're ready to go over our board. Does anyone remember the month we are in? Did I hear January? I know you know what month we are in. During circle time during school, you always say it so loud. So today is Tuesday, January the 26th. Today is Tuesday, January 26th. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Wow, that's a big number. Let's do our days of the week song, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Nice job. Those are the days of the week. So does anyone remember the shape of our month? This big word right here is rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Good job, friends. Remember I showed you last week, the rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So this is a rectangle. And the color of the month is white. And you remember what color Olaf was? That's right, he is white. And a few things that we showed you. Milk is white. And I have some vanilla ice cream is white. Some eggs are white and some are brown. Snow is white. There's so many different things that are white. You guys can come up with some and have your mommies and daddies share them with us. We'd love to hear from you guys. And then our number of the month. So our number of the month, this number right here is a 5. Can you count? How many fingers do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Jen still has science on my fingers. So 5 is our number of the month. And do you remember my snowman? I know you guys love snowmen, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snowman. And then we also had 5 little zebras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Nice counting, friends. So let's review our letters that we went over last week, and then we'll introduce the new letter O. I'm going to set Olaf right over here. So do you remember this letter, friends? It's a big line down, a diagonal line, another diagonal, and another big line down. That's the letter M. Can you go M, M, M? Good job. So we had moon and music and mama and mountains with white snow. We had map and a mouse. And you remembered my little snowballs that you guys would help me put on. So that was the letter M. And then we had the letter N. So an N is a big line down, a big diagonal, and another big line down. And we had nose. Can you touch your nose? Nice. A nurse. We had a net, a narwhal, and nuts. We had some almonds and cashews. It looks like some pistachios, different nuts. And we had a nest. There was a little cute birdie in a nest. So that's the letter N. And today we're going to go over the letter O. What shape does it kind of look like? It kind of looks like a circle, but an O is 2 big curves put together. So we put on this one, we have the O, and I have an orange. Can you say orange? O, O, orange. And then we had an octopus. Ah, ah. So O or ah, different sounds. So there's an octopus, and I have the ocean, and I have an ox. He looks like a bull, but he's a type of ox. And then this is an ostrich. And then, I know a lot of you know this. What kind of sound does this make? Did you go, hoo, hoo? This is an owl. So these are just a few things that start with O. Owl, ostrich, ox, ocean, octopus, and orange. The letter O. And I also have some of my letters here. So this is the M. M. Again, it has a big line down, a diagonal, another diagonal line, and another big line down. So that's an M. Then we have an N. It's a big line down, a big diagonal, and another line, big line. And this is an O. It looks like a circle, doesn't it? It's 2 big curves. A big curve there and a big curve there. So those are our letters of the month. And then, friends, do you have a window that you can go look out? I'm looking out my window with my looking eyes, and it's raining here. What do you see at your house? Is it raining there too? Yeah, but it's still a pretty day. It's just a little dreary. We can still have fun, but I put our rainy weather. See the clouds and the raindrops? So I put rainy on my board today because the weather at my house is rainy. But is it cold or warm outside? Did I hear kind of warm? It actually is warmer than usual outside today. So it's rainy and a little warm outside, warmer than it has been. It's been cold, we've needed our jackets, but it's a little bit warmer when I walked my dog earlier. So it's a little dreary, but it's still nice weather if you have a little rain jacket on, right? Okay, So this is our board of the month. The letter O we are going to focus on this week, okay? Friends, what is the weather at your house today? Can you use your looking eyes to go look outside of your window and tell me what the weather is at your house? What did I hear? Did you say raining? Miss Jen's using her looking eyes and it's raining at my house today. So I put for our what the weather is like today, I use the cloud and the little raindrops, so it's raining today. And I don't know if any of you have been outside today, but I went out a little earlier and it was warmer than usual, so it's not too cold, but it's not hot, so it's a little bit warmer. So I moved our temperature up to warm, in between warm and in between cold. I don't know if you can see that or not. So today is rainy, but we can still put a rain jacket on and have fun outside. So that is our circle time today. The letter O we'll be focusing on this week and our fun nursery rhymes. I hope you've enjoyed doing your fun crafts and activities. If any of you take pictures and would like to send them to us, we would love to see them. Friends, let's go over our scripture for this month. We have 2 Bible verses. Olaf's going to help me. The first one is, do you remember it says what God promises He keeps? John chapter 13 verse 34. And everyone who heard Him was amazed. Luke chapter 2 verse 47. So let's get our praying hands. Olaf already has his together. And Miss Jen's going to put hers together. And let's say that together, okay? What God promises He keeps. Good job. And the last one is, everyone who heard Him was amazed. Beautifully said. Okay, friends, I'm so glad you joined me for Circle Time. We sure miss you, and we will see you soon. Bye. You say bye, Olaf. Bye.